Behind every smoothly running hospitality property is a massive engine of maintenance and preservation. It is the housekeeping department that ensures a building retains its aesthetic appeal while protecting the value of its fabrics and furnishings. Today, we will walk through a step-by-step blueprint for coordinating a flawless daily workflow for this department, from high-level budgeting down to team delegation. Before we start, you will need to have your property's staff roster and your local amenity checklists on hand. Implementing this organized setup ensures that every room is prepared to hotel standards and the department consistently meets its guest satisfaction targets. Step 1 is establishing leadership, starting at the top with the housekeeping manager. Their daily setup focuses heavily on staff development and defining the operation standards for the entire building. This diagram illustrates the manager's primary balancing act. They must strictly control the department's operational costs while maintaining the absolute highest standards of cleanliness. To manage this, the manager handles rigorous administrative work, including keeping precise records and approving all purchasing orders for tea, coffee, and other room amenities. This chart breaks down the delegation of leadership. While the left side shows the manager handling macro-level strategy, the right side details the floor supervisor, who executes hands-on leadership directly on the floors. The floor supervisor begins their workflow by receiving their designated floor and room assignments. They use these assignments to guide their team and provide active training to new room attendants. As work is completed, the supervisor conducts rigorous inspections. They act as the final gatekeeper, making the crucial decision on whether a room is clean enough to hand over to the front office. A common mistake at this level is neglecting cross-department communication. Supervisors must actively liaise with other teams, especially regarding linen management, to keep the daily workflow moving. Keeping the manager focused on high-level macro strategy and the supervisor focused on immediate micromanagement guarantees that every task has a clear owner, preventing operational bottlenecks. The room attendant's primary role is executing the physical cleaning of their allotted rooms. They must complete this routine within strictly allocated time constraints. To meet these time limits, they follow a highly specific sequence, first vacuuming the room, then cleaning the bathroom, and finally changing linens and towels. While executing this physical sequence, the attendant is also responsible for identifying physical defects. If they spot a broken fixture, they immediately file a maintenance report. After the room is structurally clean, the focus shifts to guest amenities. It is entirely housekeeping's job to manage these goods and keep the room's inventory accurately updated. This overhead view shows a standard amenity layout. Every room requires meticulous restocking of bathroom towels, soaps, and sanitary bags. The attendant must also verify the minibar, check the TV set, and place fresh magazines and newspapers. Rigid adherence to this checklist routine prevents inventory shrinkage and ensures that every single guest experiences a uniform brand standard. The mechanism that connects this physical cleaning routine back to the rest of the property is a system of room status codes. This is a vital communication terminology used to sync housekeeping directly with the front office. This flowchart tracks the turnover lifecycle. Step 1 occurs when a guest checks out, triggering an update marking the room empty, ready for clean. The floor supervisor intercepts the status, delegating an attendant who begins their timed cleaning sequence. Finally, the supervisor inspects the work, updates the code, and clears it for arrival, completing the sync. While turning over bedrooms is the core task, the department's responsibilities extend to maintaining all physical areas outside the bedroom. Internally, this means the staff manages the property's lost and found, administers first aid, maintains fresh floral arrangements, and executes guest laundry services. For high-traffic spaces like lobbies, staircases, and restrooms, the physical labor may be contracted out to third parties. However, the housekeeping manager remains strictly responsible for overseeing their work. By closing the loop on status codes and proactively managing these extended public spaces, the department guarantees the entire property flows seamlessly for arriving guests. We now have a complete operational hierarchy. With the manager tracking budgets, the supervisor guiding the floor, and the attendants restocking amenities, the department functions as a single, coordinated unit. Executing this blueprint daily yields perfectly clean rooms and highly efficient turnovers, bypassing the communication breakdowns that plague disorganized properties. Your next step is to take your property staff roster, customize your room status codes, and begin running your first coordinated shift. Mastering this advanced housekeeping structure provides the consistency needed for aesthetic appeal and long-term operational success.